Hi, you can get paid $100 daily to sell Fitpix online for extra income. Do you believe it? Yes, this is the truth. You can sell your Fitpix without showing any of your face or anything. Just Fitpix can make you more than $100. It's just an amount you can earn by watching this video. Just stay with me. I'm going to show you how you can get paid by your Fitpix. So it's easy money. You just work daily and build your social presence with your feeds, right? So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you 3 special websites to specially designed to sell or upload or to sell Fitpix, so that they are Fitpix marketplace. So I'm going to show you 3 websites and a bonus website to earn even more money. So the first website that I want to show in this video is called Instafeed.com. Yes, this is Instafeed.com, and it's a very easy. You can see how people are making money, how people are uploading their feed pics here, and you can see that they are happy peoples making money every month just uploading their feed pics. So you may have some good beautiful feeds, right? You can use that to earn money online. Or if you have a relative or friends who doesn't know how to earn money with feed pics, you can take their feed pics as well and earn a decent amount of money. So why not try that? Just get your mobile on and taking pictures of your feeds and upload it here, and that's it. So if you're interested in Fitpix money, you simply go over to this instafeed.com and you are good to go to earn a decent amount of money. So if you want to click on how it works here, it will load this page and it will explain you how the full process works. So as Instafeed, any person, you need to be over 18 years old, so then they can create a profile here and upload their pics and start getting paid for that. So the step is 3 steps. Step 1 is create a profile, apply for a profile. Everyone will not get accepted, so read the rules. You have to read the rules, then you must follow it, and then you have to have a valid photo ID. They will verify you and then they will approve you. So there is some approval process going on, but no matter what, if you are a good real person with real photos, with real feeds, beautiful feeds, in no time you will get accepted, believe me. So the step 2 is posting content after you register. So they recommend that you just upload at least 5 photos to start and get more subscriber after that, and 5 photos will define how many subscriber you will get in future. And in step 3, they ask for you to set a price for your service or Fitpix service. Yes, so people on average there are asking for $10 per month, which is very low, but it's going to get better for when you get more subscribers, when you get popular, and one subscriber can give you $10 per month. So it's not like $10 per month. You can get 100 subscribers within months. So 5 subscribers can get you $50 per month. So it's very easy to earn $100 a day. If you get popular on your feeds, you can make more subscribers, and more subscribers can get you more money. So any 100 subscriber can give you $1,000 per month. So this is really easy. So you just simply stay on the platform and upload your feed pics, and you try to take beautiful feed pics as well to get more subscribers. So this is the case, and they are going to give you a unique link, and they ask you to send your link to friends and family on social networks as well. So you will get more subscribers day by day, and they will help you on that as well. So traffic is not a problem, but simply you just upload it, open an Instagram, Twitter and Facebook account and upload your feed pics, and day by day you will get popular in no time, believe me. So the second website that I'm about to show which you can sell your feed pics is called FitFinder.com. Yes, the FitFinder.com is also similar like Instafeed.com, and you can see that this is FitFinder is the safest, easiest, and most secure websites for verified users to view, buy, and sell custom feed content. And you can see that how people are uploading their feed pics. So you can see that if you have a modeling perspective, you know how styling works, and people see people how uniquely they captured their feeds and how beautiful it's looking. And this is the catch, the creativity. You simply create a feed pics that is most interesting. Any worst looking feed can be awesome when you just style it and pics it in a different angle. That is the catch here. So you can make money. So if you just scroll down, you can see that they have a video that explains how it works, how this site works, and how you can earn money in selling feeds. You can see that these type of feeds are very much interested. People will be interested to buy this type of feeds, and they are really awesome. Doctors, some healthcare professionals, some photographers, some video makers, everyone needs somewhere, someday they need this type of photos, feed pics for their content, for their blogging, for their any website, or for their product as well. There are various products related to feeds. So those people's, those business needs feed pics, so they come to this place and buy it, and this is where you come in and you make money. So you just simply sign up there and start uploading your feed pics, and no matter what, regularly work there, and you can get more subscribers. So these two are free to join, but I am going to show you the third website, which is called Fitpix.com. This is also a buy sell feed pics, but it's like not like free, but you have to pay some minimum fee. So to join their one-time fee, it will require to upload pictures there, but most of the time it's not asking for your monthly subscriptions. You simply go there and just upload your pictures, and they will help you get more subscribers, and you will get to know how it works in their how it works page. And you can see that how step by step you can process and build your profile and upload your feed pics there to get more subscribers, to make you money. So this is it, guys. This is the three websites: Instafeed and FitFinder and Fitpix. All these three are related to Fitpix, and you can earn a decent amount of money in combination of three. You can earn right now, you can earn, you just build it and you can reach $100 daily in no time. So this is it, guys. So the bonus website that you can, it's not like related to Fitpix, but it's a general picture selling marketplace, which is called foap.com. So foap.com is also a great place for photographers who around the world who sell their digital photos. There you can take any photos you like. If you are a photographer, you can take any pictures and sell it, upload it here by creating your profile, and people are going to love this type of sites. And foap is a very popular site to sell digital picture, and if you can also upload your feed pics there and earn a decent amount of money by just selling your feed pics to people who want it. So this is it, guys. Opportunity is limitless. You work daily, you just don't upload one or two pictures. You have to upload daily. You have to work daily to upload more and more pictures every day to get more subscribers. And this is a quantity and quality. All also is very important in this field. So if you stay with that strategy, you will make $100 per day in no time. So if you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.